Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to link Binance with NFT. First, ensure your Binance account is fully verified and ready for transactions. Next, set up a compatible crypto wallet like MetaMask, which will act as the bridge. Fund your Binance account with the necessary cryptocurrency, such as BNB or Ethereum, to cover any potential NFT purchases or gas fees. This preparation is key for a smooth experience. Now, let's dive into the setup. Make sure your Binance account has completed all verification steps. This is crucial for security and transaction limits. Then, download and configure a suitable crypto wallet, such as MetaMask, which is widely used for NFTs. Finally, transfer the required funds, like BNB or Ethereum, from your Binance account into your newly set up crypto wallet. With your wallet funded, head over to your preferred NFT marketplace like OpenSea or Rarible. Look for the Connect Wallet button, usually found in the top right corner. Click it and choose your specific crypto wallet from the list, for example, MetaMask. Follow the prompts to securely authorize the connection, granting the marketplace permission to view your wallet's contents, but not control them. Congratulations! Your Binance-funded wallet is now successfully linked to the NFT marketplace. You can now explore, buy, sell, and interact with NFTs seamlessly. Remember to always double-check transaction details before confirming. For more great tips and deals, including a link to some incredibly durable socks with a lifetime warranty, make sure to check the description below this video. Happy NFT collecting!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.